Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Chocolate Walnut Fudge, a rich, smooth and indulgent homemade treat that's incredibly easy to prepare and perfect for anyone who loves quick, delicious sweets. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chocolate walnut fudge. This recipe gives you a melt-in-the-mouth texture, a deep chocolate flavor, and that irresistible nutty crunch that makes every piece feel luxurious. You'll also learn simple but important cooking tips like how to melt the chocolate correctly using the double boiler method, how to prevent the fudge from turning grainy, and the best way to roast walnuts so they stay crunchy. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious chocolate walnut fudge. Step 1. Roasting the walnuts. We have taken 200 grams of walnuts. Break them into smaller pieces with your hands. You can also cut them with a knife. Our walnut pieces are ready. In a heavy bottom pan on low heat, roast the walnut pieces for around 4 to 5 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent them from burning. You can use walnuts as they are, but lightly roasting them is always better. It brings out a deeper nutty flavor and keeps the nuts crunchy even after mixing it into the fudge. Once the walnut pieces are roasted, put the heat off. Put the walnut pieces in a bowl and discard any walnut skins that have come off. Roasted walnut pieces are ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken a milk chocolate bar weighing around 500 grams. You can also use chocolate chips. Instead of milk chocolate, you can also use dark chocolate if you prefer. Cut or chop the chocolate bar into smaller pieces so it takes less time to melt. We also need 400 grams of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of salted butter. To set the chocolate fudge, we will line a 10-inch by 8-inch container with butter paper. Keep around 2 inches of extra paper on the sides, as it will help in lifting the chocolate fudge after it has set. Neatly line the butter paper to cover all the sides. Use the base of the container as a measurement and cut the butter paper like I have done. This will help you make a nicely fitted rectangular shaped lining for the container. If you want your chocolate fudge to be thicker, then use an 8 by 8 inch container.
Hello everyone! Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Our lined container is ready. Step 3. Preparing the chocolate walnut fudge. We will be using the double boiler method. Fill the bottom pan with 2 inches of water. Keep the heat on low. Place a metal container above. You can also use a glass bowl. Now add the chocolate pieces. Ensure the bowl is completely dry. Water will make the mixture grainy or lumpy. Stir the chocolate with a dry spoon or spatula. Keep stirring the chocolate continuously. Chocolate should become nice and smooth. Stir the chocolate until it melts completely. Once the chocolate has melted, add the condensed milk. Keep stirring the mixture continuously. Stir until the condensed milk has mixed with the chocolate. Once done, add the salted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, then add 1 pinch of salt. Now add the vanilla essence. Keep stirring the mixture continuously. Mix in the butter nicely. Ensure no water comes in contact with this mixture at any point during the cooking process, or else it will seize. Do not cover the bowl as the condensed water will drip into the mixture and make it grainy or lumpy. Mix in the butter nicely. Stir until the entire butter has blended with the chocolate mixture. Chocolate should become nice and smooth. Once the butter is mixed well, add the walnuts. But keep some walnuts aside to add on top of the fudge later. Mix in the walnuts nicely. Walnuts should be evenly distributed in the mixture. This ensures every piece of chocolate walnut fudge will have sufficient nuts. Once everything is mixed well, put the heat off. Chocolate walnut fudge mixture is ready. Pour the hot chocolate walnut fudge mixture immediately in the lined container and spread it nicely. Then add the walnuts that were kept aside for garnishing. Make sure to press them lightly so they get stuck in the fudge. Lightly tap the container on the table. This will help to remove any air pockets that are trapped inside and will evenly distribute the fudge mixture around the container. Cool the chocolate fudge at room temperature. Do not cover it immediately. Once it has cooled completely, cover the container either with a cling wrap or foil. Keep it in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours or until it sets. Step 4. Cutting the chocolate walnut fudge. Chocolate walnut fudge after it has set for 12 hours. Lift the chocolate walnut fudge along with the butter paper. Cut the chocolate walnut fudge into the desired size and shape. You can cut it into squares or rectangles. Store the chocolate walnut fudge in an airtight container. Since ours was an 8 by 10 inch container, we have cut 4 by 4 centimeter squares. You can keep the chocolate walnut fudge at room temperature if you are going to consume it within 3 to 4 days. However, it is best to store it in the refrigerator for a longer duration. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. Also let us know which other recipes you would want to see. Delicious chocolate walnut fudge is ready. Enjoy this delicious chocolate walnut fudge and do share it with your loved ones. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.